Chris Mutsvangwa has made yet another mistake by telling us that the military belongs to ZANU, by telling us that the military belongs to the war veterans, by telling us that ZANU-PF owns the military and they recruit their own people each and every time. Let's hear him speak, then we get to the conclusion.
You must also take note. All of you know how the Zimbabwe National Army is recruited, I think you know. You must go and show the card of either your father who was in the Liberation War or a member of your family who was in the Liberation War. We put great stock on the pedigree of our fighters joining the army based on the loyalty and patriotism expressed during the great epic war which we fought Chimurenga. So I want to tell you that the action which the G4 did against Mnangagwa must have offended many of our young men in uniform because they are also of Liberation War pedigree, you understand? Vakarowa shumba nembama and vashona mbairo wao ninya iyoyo. So I think I've answered the Mnangagwa thing, absolutely.
To me personally, this is a sad situation, this is a sad event. ZANU-PF has taken us for granted for too long. Let's register to vote. Let's make sure that we are prepared for 2023. Let's make sure that we are prepared to humiliate them. Let's make sure that we are prepared to take over this nation and lead. We are the leaders of today, not the leaders of 2030. We are not the leaders of 2063. We must lead now.